Start filming, man.
There you go, mate. Just waking you up. Exactly. Waking up those muscles. All right.
Mate, fix me.
You all right? You relax. Hi, guys. Farnel here with Ninja again. Good to see you. Look, I just wanted to talk to you this morning about a number of clients I've treated of late that have had lower back problems. And in treating their lower back, one muscle that commonly I've found to be a bit of an issue is their QL muscle. It's just a muscle that attaches to your spine right here and connects to the ilium. And that can be, it's a small muscle that can have a major impact for your lower back pain. So I will just quickly go through and show you what I do in terms of dealing with my clients and helping them. One of the first things I do is I just want, for example, at the moment, Ninja's body just to relax. So I'm applying a little bit of pressure, just getting his central nervous system to realize it's not a threat to his body, and then in turn have his brain tell his muscle that they can relax. So I just want his body to relax and not tense up. And sometimes this is really good just by applying a bit of pressure. It feels quite good actually, and just feels releasing. So a good way to start. How's that feeling, Ninja?
Yeah, good, man.
Okay, is the pressure okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Feels like it wants to crack a little bit or something that'll feel a bit stuck in there, you know?
Yeah.
That's good.
Just apply a little bit more pressure there. You're okay?
Yeah, it's great.
Good, mate.
It's what it needs.
All right.
Gives a bit of mobilisation, a little bit of a twist down there.
Yeah, these are definitely
Need
just a little bit of rocking just to loosen up that area.
Yeah. It's a good ache that I'm feeling right now.
Good. And that in itself is quite relaxing actually.
Yeah.
And soothing to the lower back.
Feels good.
Yeah. So one of the key elements I find that in treating the lower back has been the money spot, and you would have heard a lot about that. Which basically just I will start it with my hand at the moment. I'll move on to my elbow, but just apply pressure just in the lower back in that little section. There tends to be a lot of build-up of tension around that area.
Yeah.
How does that feel, Ninja?
Yeah, fully resonates.
Is that okay?
It's awesome.
Yeah. So everyone is different, and some people you just have to sit there and wait for a while till their muscle begins to melt away, that tension. And once it does, then I'll move on. With some people it's quicker, others different. It takes a little bit more time, but you respect people's bodies and you just work with them as is needed.
Feels good.
Yeah.
And the QL is really deep, isn't it?
Yeah. It's amazing. It's a small muscle is hidden underneath your rectus spinal, but I tell you what, plays a major part. Okay. So we'll go again, just once more.
And you've been doing heaps of massage lately, I can tell, mate. Your hairs are worn off your arms. You're working hard. Is that right?
Now, to stop you, I might just press a little bit harder, eh?
Yeah, that's what's been going on, is it? Bit of banter going on.
Exactly.
When you're on the losing end of it, you fight back a little bit.
All right, mate. Now, what I'm going to do is just go through the money spot with my elbow. And okay, so we just sit there. Ninja, you okay?
Yeah, I'm really good.
Okay, good. All right. So give it time to relax and rest and just sometimes just basically just tweaking away in the little corner, just kind of manipulating the muscle a bit just to release. Just work within, the pain level that people can tolerate. You don't want the muscle to tighten up so much that you can't work and be effective with it. So you always check in with the client to make sure they're okay. I'm just gliding slowly. And wherever you feel that tightness, you just stay there. You okay?
Yeah, good, man.
All right, mate.
Bit of a challenge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Wow.
You got something there, Ninja?
Deep in there, yeah.
Hey there. And it's interesting, actually, in when dealing with clients, I always tell clients that with this sort of treatment, that the next couple of days they may well be a little bit sore, and the soreness is like going to a gym and working on muscles you've never worked on before, and you have that delay onset of muscle pain, then it relaxes, dissipates. That's exactly what happens. Now, it's interesting though, like with clients I've dealt with, there's two categories. There's clients that have come back and said they were fine, not a problem, they were okay and could function, and other clients have said they felt uncomfortable for a couple of days, thereafter they were fine. So one of those will always be your experience. You okay there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's tight there.
Good, man. Dear, dear.
There we go, Ninja, we're nearly there, mate.
Yeah. Remember, don't tease Farnsy about his arms.
There you go.
Fucking rip into you.
You okay? All right.
Good. Very good. Oh.
There you go. Okay. Now, the interesting in what I said earlier, that the QL muscle, that small muscle that sits here. So when I deal with the clients, I let them know that basically they will feel either pressure or pain. So at those pressure points. So when they feel pain, we'll just stay with them. And it's amazing that within 30 seconds to a minute, that pain just dissipates and that pressure point just melts away, which is great. So let's go there, Ninja.
Yeah.
What are you feeling there? Anything there?
Feels pretty good, man. Like,
Feels good?
Just
Okay.
got a good therapeutic feeling, but not
Okay.
overwhelming.
Yeah. Just hold it there. Just allow the muscle just to dissipate.
It's kind of a good ache in my spine.
Okay, so like a therapeutic pain,
Yeah.
not a traumatic pain
Yeah.
type thing,
You're
which is
mobilising
good.
the spine a little
Good,
bit.
all right.
Feeling that. I can feel it, that twist.
Yeah, good.
Just holding it there is kind of,
Yeah, there it goes. I can feel that right there.
yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, just 10 more seconds. So as our motto is always, clean first and build second. That's always important to have the source of the pain treated. And then what you want to do is strengthen that area so that you don't end up being in the same place. So important. Okay. That seems a little bit tighter.
Yeah, that's
You
awesome.
okay?
Good spot, man. Hitting a good angle, good pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Money.
Yeah. So what I find is in dealing with people, sometimes it'll be both points that are painful, and we wait for that pain to dissipate. But sometimes it's only one side that is the issue. So if there's no pain, I'll just move on to where it is needed. You okay, Ninja?
Yeah.
Again, yeah. Good on you, mate. Have any words of wisdom to tell me at all?
About
life? About life, yeah. What were we talking about this morning?
We're just talking about, I suppose I saw some Instagram things. Well, I think it was Simon Sinek actually. He kind of got somebody out of the crowd and he grabbed their phone and he just was using some examples of what goes on when you're in life, like you grab your phone and you kind of start messaging when somebody's midway through a sentence or telling you something, they immediately know that they're no longer important.
That's right.
And you've just killed that conversation. You've put a wall up, a block, and that you feel that, feel that you're not important. What you got to say is not important. And like he was talking about when you everyone at a restaurant or, at dinner tables and things like that these days, they're putting their phone there and it's sort of a message that, I'm here, but if this rings, I'm going to have a look at it, or and I think people can use it as a tactic too to get out of, avoid conversations, avoid people, but we're kind of saying it's a conversation killer and it can be a relationship killer because it is putting up a wall between two people. And like we're just talking about how awesome it is to be in real life and have a conversation and how rich that is.
It is. It's fulfilling.
Yeah. We might sound old school, like old blokes, but we think it's just...
I don't think it's old school. I think it's just a necessity of being a human.
Yeah.
You just need to connect with people and feel valued. It's so important. It is enriching. It really is. Yeah.
So we kind of recognise that here at MMT, and that's a massive part of our culture is being physically present, mentally present with our teammates and our customers, and we want to connect, and we want to help people, and if you're not switched on, not present, it's very hard to tune into what people need and being able to deliver that, because you've got your own agenda, you're running, something else is more important.
Very much so.
And that's what people feel, People know if you're there for them, you're listening, and you can support them. Yeah.
A while ago, a few years ago actually, I remember hearing a comment made in relation to social media, and that, in time, your phone will know you better than what your partner will. Yeah. Because the algorithm is set to what you like and what is of interest to you. Yeah. So that can be quite dangerous actually in a relationship. Yeah. And not helpful. Yeah. Talking to each other, looking in each other's eyes, and having that meaningful, relationship, in conversation. Yeah. So important. Yeah. Yeah, we did the more of that, transfiguration it's called, when you look into left eye to left eye with people when you're only like 20 centimetres apart. It's an awesome exercise in connection and kind of this profound realisation that you've got another human in front of you. Yes. And just, we're a human, you're a human, and like how magnificent is it when you connect with another human, and I was doing mine with Jack, and like we were feeling each other's emotion. Like our faces were shape-shifting, we were tuning into each other's blinks, breath, and things like that. And there was no talking, but there was profound communication was going on. Yeah, and like there was a deeper sense of connection. That you kind of can last for years when you do like a 3-minute transfiguration with somebody, and it's it's amazing. Yeah, that we're all kind of in the same, on the same life, aren't we? And we're sharing life together, and it's so much better when you share it than going solo. And in the AI world, or whatever it is, the virtual world, because your brain kind of doesn't know whether you're in the real world or the
imaginary world,
Yeah.
you know, these days, because it's...
You may have 1,000 friends on your social media, but you really don't know them. You know about them, but you don't really know them.
Yeah, they're not putting up
Yeah.
they're only putting up 1% of their life, which is the good bit, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
You know,
exactly.
less than 1% is good. You know, you think
example of a family with kids, and they're all smiling, they're all happy, so they take an Instagram shot, and then 30 seconds later they're at each other's throats.
Yeah.
Kids, you know.
Yeah.
You know.
We can use filters and we can use angles to make us look slimmer or
Correct.
more muscly or whatever it is.
Correct.
But it's not real.
No.
You know. So we're just encouraging you to get in real life and get in community and develop some culture that's
right.
That's healthy.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, remember that we're not islands. You know, we're meant to be connecting with other humans too.
Yeah.
So important.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good that we're realising it and we're keeping it alive. Yeah, it feels
Just
good.
like you try to keep your kind of relationships healthy by communicating and talking to each other, it's just as important to look after your body like I'm treating you right now.
Yeah.
You want your body in a good place, not to be in pain, and you want to be able to function properly.
Yeah.
So I guess what the segue is, if you've got a lower back problem, don't wait. Come and get treated, get relief, get movement happening, and just enjoy the things that you do in life.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. We'll catch up soon later.
Yeah. Thank you. Done.